When you talk about the past of Pakistan, many of you who were not born when Pakistan was created, all you know is through some books which have come out of the minds of authors. Then let's try to find out from the horse's mouth how past was and how present has come into existence, and what do we expect from you as builders of future youth who are the treasure of this country. It tells you very clearly that Allama Iqbal came up with the idea that if Muslims want to have their own culture, their own faith, their own economy or Islamic Sharia, it cannot be as a minority in the undivided India. And therefore, unless they have a separate state or states, this dream cannot be realized. So this tells you very clearly why two-nation theory became basis of Pakistan. It was indispensable. Muslims and Islam both were in danger if Pakistan was not created. The Qaid summarized the recipe for integration and nation building in a logical way in 3 words. The first one was faith, which means Islam. Second one was unity, without which you cannot survive. And third one was your discipline. If you are not disciplined, you cannot progress. And that is the basis of nationhood of Pakistan. Jinnah again and again mentions in his speeches that sectarianism and provincialism are the disease. And that can be very easily done if we have only mandatory teaching of the Quran. Allah has favored you and your country tremendously. Feel proud of being Pakistani. You are a growing nation. 78 years are no lifetime of a nation. Nations grow up in centuries. जब तक आपको अपने पर एतमाद है, कोई आपको नहीं गिरा सकता. इसलिए हमारी जो असल ताकत है वो हमारे वो नौजवान हैं जो पाकिस्तान पर फ़ख्र करते हों, इसके लिए कुर्बानी करने को तैयार हों, इसके लिए अपने ज़ाती फ़ायदे को नज़रअंदाज करते हुए मुल्क और कौम के फ़ायदे के लिए आगे बढ़कर काम करें. ये वो असल क़ुव्वत है जो इंशाअल्लाह मुल्क को हमेशा सरबंद रखेगी.